Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very good. So, students, today we are going to do a small activity. Okay? So, for that, take out S4 peer review checklist in your workbook, page number 19. Okay, students? Page number 19. All of you? Okay, students. After taking out this, I asked you to write a small paragraph about the favorite person in your family. Do you remember that? Yes. What you have to do, students? Take out that notebook with that homework. You can read the question in the workbook, read your paragraph and fill the checklist. Underline all adjectives in the paragraph. So students, first what you have to do? You have to underline all the adjectives. Do you know what are adjectives? Yes, describing words. Very good. So you have to underline the adjectives in the paragraph. Okay, I hope you all have done that. After that, students, you can see that in this there is 3 column. Does the paragraph talk about a person? You can see in the first column there is a question, does the paragraph talk about a person? Okay, look into your paragraph. Does it talks about a person? Yes. Then put a tick mark on yes. And on the other side you have to write the name of the person. Okay? Then comes the second one. Are all the sentences about the topic? Okay, students, look into your paragraph. Are all the sentences about the topic? Yes. So you will put a tick mark on yes. Because we don't have any sentence that is not about the topic, so we will leave the space. Do all the sentences begin with capital letters and end with full stops? Yes, all the sentences begin with capital letters and end with full stops. So put a tick mark on yes. And again, we don't have any sentence which does not begin with capital letter or end with full stop. We don't have any such sentence, so we will be leaving that place. Then comes the fourth one. Does the paragraph use adjectives to describe the personality of the person? Look into your paragraph. Do you have any describing words about the personality? Like tall, grey hair, black hair, where you are describing the personality or the person's personality. Okay, students? You can see, does the paragraph use adjectives to describe what the person look like? I'm asking about that question. So in this, you have to talk about person's look. Okay? Look into your sentence. Do you have any such sentence? Person's look like hair, grey hair, black hair, fat, thin. If you're having, just put a tick mark on yes. Then comes the personality, students. Does the paragraph use adjectives to describe the personality of the person? Yes or no. If you are having sentences like my father is hardworking or my mother is beautiful, if you have certain words, put a tick mark on yes, and in adjectives used, please write those adjectives. Then comes the last question. Write at least one idea to make the paragraph better. In this, so you have made a self-analysis of the paragraph. It means that self-checking. Now what you have to do? You have to think that if I will write in much better way, how can I make the paragraph more better? So you have to give one suggestion here. It can be anything. like writing describing words, writing using more punctuations, anything you find it in your paragraph by which you can make it more better. Okay students? Okay. So students, now we will close our workbook, and now please take out your textbook, page number 16, 16. In this you can see a question. Look at the picture and observe the action that tell you about the people in it. Give each character a name. Describe the picture in 5 to 6 sentences using is and are. So what you have to do? You have to look into the picture. There are many children who are doing certain activities. Some of them are playing, some of them are jumping, some of them are on the some of them are climbing. So you have to make sentences, 5 sentences. But there is one condition. You have to make 2 sentences which should include are, A-R-E-R in the sentence, and you should make 3 sentences which should include is. So students, I am giving you some example. Don't copy it. Try to write by yourself. Ria is climbing the pole. Okay students, you can give name to the children. No problem. Anu, Sharif and Madina are holding their hand. Both of them are on seesaw. So students, you can see that there are some kind of sentences which I have made out from the pictures, and as well as I have used is, are. So same, you have to make sentences. 2 sentences should include are and 3 sentences should include is. So students, write in your notebook. You have to write this in your notebook. Okay? Okay. Now let's come to the other question in page number 70. Look at the pictures and circle the correct adjectives. You can see students, there are 3 pictures, picture A, B and C. By looking at the picture, you have to circle the correct word which describes the picture. Slim, weak, muscular. We can see it in A. You can see the picture A, a girl is there. Yes. So students, you can see which word is correct for her? Slim, weak, muscular. Yes, slim. So students, please circle the word slim. Good. Let's look into the other picture, picture B. You can see a man having dumbbells in his hand. Fat, thin, strong. Which is the correct word? Strong. Good. Please circle the word strong. Now let's come to the C. Happy, sad, calm. By looking at the picture, what do you think? What is the correct describing word? Sad. Very good. Please circle the word. Okay. Now let's come to the question 2. On the same page, fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box. So students, in this box, there are some adjective words, describing words given. We have to take out the correct one which suits to the sentence. Okay, let's read. I gave correct answers to all the questions. I am clever. I am clever. She is dash, that is why she has no friends. She is unfriendly, that is why she has no friends. She is unfriendly. Rohan listened to his mother and does whatever she says. He is obedient. He is obedient. Her voice is dash like a singer. Yes, her voice is sweet like a singer. Ritu is a nice girl. She is not Rude. She is not rude. Okay, students, please turn over the page. You can see question 18 there. You can see question 18 there. Okay. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the help box. We have to do this as the same we did the last activity. You have to take out the correct adjectives which describes the sentences, and as well as you can see the pictures are given there. Okay. Let's do one for you, and the rest of the others you will do in the textbook. My brother's room is very, what you can see? Yes, my brother's room is very untidy. Good students. Okay, thank you. You will be doing this in the textbook only. Don't write it in the notebook. Question 3 and as well as question 2, don't write it in the notebook. Okay, students? You just have to write the question 7 from the 16th page in your notebook. Okay. Students, now come the question 4th in page number 19. Describe both the characters in the picture using the words from the help box. So you can see two girls are standing, facing each other, shaking hands, and one of them are having the cricket bat, and there is a school behind them, and there are certain words in the boxes. So what you have to do, by looking at the picture and by using certain words from the box, you have to make 5 sentences. Please write this in the textbook only. Don't write it in the notebook. Okay? We can see that one girl is happy, the other girl is sad. So it can be a cricket match. Maybe she has won the match. Her team has won the match. It can be anything. Okay? So you have to do this. Now come to the 5th question, students. Choose your favorite character from a story or movie. Fill out a T-chart with any 4 actions that tell you about what he or she is like and what it shows about him or her. So students, this question you have to do in your notebook. This is your homework. What you have to do, take out your notebook and you have to think about the favorite character, your favorite character in the notebook, in the movie, or it can be from a movie or story. Anyone. Let me show you an example. Don't copy this. Don't copy this, students. You have to do this in the similar way. Actions. You have to make a table where in the one column you will be writing the actions and in the other column you will be writing what it shows. I have selected Spider-Man. Spider-Man is my favorite character. Spider-Man saves everyone's life. So what it shows? He is a hero. He takes care of an old lady. He is caring. He jumps into the fire. He is brave. So like this, you have to select the favorite character. Then you have to divide a column. In the first column, you will be writing actions, and in the second column, you should write what it shows. Now students, coming to the question 6. Fill out an appearance chart for your favorite character from the story or movie. So students, what you have to do? You have to take the same character which you selected in the question 5. Now you have to make an appearance chart. Do you all remember? We did it in the last class about a young lady, middle-aged woman, old man, gentleman. Yes. The same appearance chart we have to make here for our favorite character from a movie or a story. So make a column. The titles will be like this. Headings: height, face, hair, age. Okay. So you can see the height. Tall. I have written about Superman. You should write about your character. Okay. Face is long. Hair is brown. Age is young. So question 5 and question 6 you have to do in the notebook. Okay students. So for class 3rd A, question 4th, question 5th and question 6th is the homework. Okay. And for third B, for class third B, you have to do question 7th and as well as question 8th. Students, question 7th, you remember what we studied about the character. Now you what have to do? You have to write a small paragraph about the character which you selected in the question 5. For example, I have selected Superman, so I have to write a paragraph about us, like 4 to 5 lines. That much is fine. About Superman. Okay? I hope you have understood. Then comes question 8, which is very easy. Look at the picture and observe the actions that tell you about the people in it. Give each character a name. Now describe the picture in 5 to 6 sentences using as many adjectives as possible. This is the homework for class 3rd A students. Okay? Sorry, not 3rd A, 3rd B. Okay? This is the homework for 3rd B. 3rd B has to do question 5, 6, 7 in your notebook. No students. 3rd B has to do question 4 in the textbook and question 5 and 6 in the notebook. And as well as question 7 and question 8. Okay, and 3rd A has to do question 4 in the textbook, question 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 you have to do in the textbook only. By looking at the picture, you can understand that there are some students who are playing in a picnic. They are in a picnic. Teachers are sitting. So by looking at this picture, you have to make 5 or 6 sentences. Okay. So this is for the class students. Take your time to complete the homework. No hurry. Okay students, have a good day. Bye. I'm really sorry for such a late video because I was having some network issues very badly. That's why I was not able to upload the video. Okay students, I hope you will understand. And I'm really sorry for the inconvenience you faced. Thank you.